We never really know what's going on for somebody else, do we? We've had the most amazing day today, and whilst we've been having a wonderful day, I have a dear friend who has not been having such a wonderful day. This morning we took off on a bus and headed out to a local golf course here, and we had a beautiful lunch overlooking the mountains and the lake, and it was just so divine, so beautiful. The food was good, and we decided we'd walk back, almost 2-hour walk. So that was all good. We decided that the walk would walk off our lunch. And we'd been walking for about an hour when my dear friend from Bangladesh, who I met in a Facebook group about 3 years ago, he helped me with some things to do with my website. I've always built my own websites, and he helped me with some Wix things, and we became very good friends. He then went through a very difficult time in his life, and he would often message me and talk to me about what was going on for him. And we have become such good friends, and he has helped me and I have helped him. I'm 60, he's 25. I'm in New Zealand, he's in Bangladesh, and we have formed this beautiful friendship. And today, as we were walking back from our lunch, he messaged me to say that he was feeling very sad and he was very unwell, which is often a way he describes things when he's struggling emotionally or mentally. And I knew something big was up for him. So I took some time to chat with him briefly, and I just reassured him that everything would be okay and that I could have a longer conversation with him in an hour or so when I got back to our camping site. We carried on our walk, and we decided to then stop at the Hilton Hotel, which is on the lake here in Queenstown. And we had a lovely coffee, and then we just seized the moment and had a glass of wine. And I was sitting there, sipping my wine, enjoying the amazing view, the beautiful sunshine, and everything that my life has right now. And I was thinking about my friend. And that got me thinking about the fact that we are all in different places in our lives, and we all have different lessons. And even though we are from different countries, extremely different cultures, speak different languages, have different understandings about things, we can still support each other. And I was reflecting on this while I was sipping my wine, and I was just feeling incredibly grateful for my life, and I was feeling very compassionate for my friend. And he has some big things going on in his family, and he is really struggling. And I'm looking forward to getting back to the campground and having a bigger conversation with him, because he said to me, I don't understand how to cope with this. How can I cope with this? And that is what I will talk to him about. But it just reminded me of the fact that, our lives are so very different. And, as I said, we all do have different lessons at different times in our lives. And we can support each other. We can be there for each other, no matter who we are, no matter the age difference, the cultural difference, the issues we're dealing with. We can show compassion to one another. And that is what humanity, to me, is all about. I hope that wherever you are in your life, that you have the support you need. If you don't, and if you have a question I can help you with, drop it below. I'd be more than happy to help you through whatever your challenges as well. And I'll see you in the next video.